Hello guys, this is a short video review of those pliers from Aliexpress. So the pliers seems to be decent quality, but it has some issues. So this quick release button wasn't working properly because this metal spring was too long. This thing bind. So I had to file this corners a bit to make it a bit shorter, and now it works properly. So it self locks. Another problem that I had was this small screw. It was too long and it protruded from this side. It collided with this side. So it has some recess, but it's only in one place, but this part moves, so it's strange design. I don't know what they were thinking about, but this recess matches only in one place. So I had to file this little screw a bit, and now it works properly and does not collide. Another thing that I did, I printed some job pads that I can snap. It's hard to do in one hand. Yeah, like that. And it allows to use them on some delicate nuts, so not to damage them. So those plastic pads protects the surface of the nut. So that's it. So those pliers seems decent, but need some filing and finishing. That's all. Bye.